All of these images you are watching right now is not a simple art. These are actual scannable QR codes. Maybe a lot of you guys have already seen these images on social media, especially on Twitter, because Twitter is right now full of these images. Firstly, I thought that this one is generated in Midjourney, but I was wrong. But someone already shared this technique that he found a way to combine stable diffusion images and QR codes to generate this kind of scannable QR art. And after that, people just keep on generating and uploading these pictures on social media. I was also wondering how to make this kind of art. And after some kind of research, I found a way, thanks to QuickQR.Art, who made this easy for us. Basically, this is the classic QR code generator website where you can generate simple QR codes for your website, email, phone, WhatsApp, Scribe, and literally for anything. But now they introduce a scannable QR art on their website that is currently in beta. So just click on the join beta and you will be redirected to the Discord. Well, this is a Discord based. If you already don't have a Discord account, make sure to create one. It will only take a few minutes. Once you join the server, you will see the channels on the left side, same as Midjourney server. Right now, this is so much populated. As you can see, people are generating some really good artwork, mixing and matching different things. And some of these are really good images. So to generate, you have to type / and then select generate. Now you will have two options, prompt and URL. Now to generate your own artwork, you need a URL of your QR code. For that, just go back to their website and paste your URL. For example, I'll copy the URL of my Adobe Store portfolio, just paste your URL and your QR code will be generated automatically. You can also change the colors, styles and other stuffs, but I will prefer to keep it simple. Now, just download your image and head back to your Discord account. Upload your image and copy the URL of your image, then type / and paste the URL in the URL section and then type your prompt. Let's say a cat wearing sunglasses and hat and standing in New York Times Square, and then hit enter, and you can see there is too much traffic right now, so you have to find your images manually. So this is the output image that it generated. Really impressive. Well, nobody can tell that this is a QR code or a simple AI generated image. And just below the image, you can see it also provided the values that are used to generate this image: live seed values, steps in the image, and QRW values, just as we do in Midjourney. Okay. So let's generate some other images with same settings. Let's say a dog wearing jacket, then copy the same values and paste those values here. So let's see what it comes up with. So this is the image it came up with. Well, this is not exactly the same, but not bad actually. Okay, so let's try one more. An ancient Japanese temple near lake, all paper colors, ancient antique. So I put a bunch of different keywords in it. Let's see what it comes up with. So here's the output image. Well, it's not what I expected, but it's a good one. So we're just trying very simple prompts. But you can see people are generating some really good artwork, and more people are joining it right now. So you will find a link in the description, and if you guys want to stay up with this kind of a content, make sure to subscribe to AIable channel. It's totally free, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next one.